Hey everybody, welcome to Fat Fender Garage. My name is Jason, I'm the owner, and what we have here is a 1950 GMC pickup. We purchased this for a client of ours. He lives in Wisconsin, and the truck was just a farm, fresh truck, not too rusted, pretty straight, good condition, half-ton short bed GMC pickup. One thing you don't find a lot of are GMCs from this era. It seems like most of them were Chevys. I guess if you had a little extra money, then you bought a GMC. I think it's kind of the same way today, right? Or you buy a Ford, one of the two. Anyway, so the client really wanted something that was going to be super cool. What we decided to do is go with what's new, the latest and greatest. And so we put the brand new Gen 5 LT-1 in here with the 8-speed automatic transmission. And I'll tell you, it wasn't an easy feat, to be honest. It was a lot of work, a lot of headache, a lot of studying, a lot of literature and everything that we could find, which was pretty much hardly anything, and talking to some of the General Motors engineers to make sure that this would go together properly. And what we ended up with was just a beautiful truck. The paint is a Mazda color. It's on their new SUVs, a 2017. The paint's kind of that candy apple tri-coat color. We've got the LT-1 motor. It's got vintage air. I mean, it really has anything and everything you could want, from push button start. I did a column, nice leather interior, beautiful US mags, just upgraded everything. It's a pretty fun truck to drive, and just amazing performance. So one thing I've noticed about using the 8-speed auto transmissions is they shift a little bit more, but they're also way smoother. This thing takes off and it goes, and you hear it shifting, but you don't feel it shifting, which is actually kind of a cool feature about it. It really is a refined machine. It sits on a Roadster Shop chassis, and as far as chassis go, and this vehicle, it really was the premium chassis for it. You got Wilwood disc brakes, all four corners. You got a 9-inch rear end, 390 gears in it, and so this thing really scoots along. Pretty happy with it. We've got a lot of angry feelings when it came to fitting the hood with the hinges and all that stuff, but to be honest with you, the guys spent the time and did a really good job on it. Everything opens and closes and shuts as you would want it to be. We're getting close to finishing it up, a little bit of polishing of the paint, a little bit of touch up here and there, and then we're about ready to ship it to the customer. We might be sending this to SEMA, so if we do, we'll make sure you guys know, and it'll be in the McGuire's booth. But check it out. If you want something built by us, and this is kind of what you're looking for, this is what you're after, definitely give us a call. This is what we like to do. We like trucks, we specialize in trucks, and if it's something that you're interested in, and this, kind of a refined piece of equipment, let us know. We'll get some video shots on it pretty soon, driving and performance, and for now, keep the dream alive. So if you've got something you're working on, and this is your goal, stay after it. It's very rewarding, and you'll enjoy it. So with that, peace out.